Good morning and hello from Dallas, Texas. I'm a Ladies of Justice Ambassador for PPLSI. I represent the Legal Shield and ID Shield services. My background is in engineering, teaching, and serving the special needs population. I work with the Ladies of Justice initiative of our company, which is focused on empowering women. And I'm excited to be here today to share information with you about the services I offer for small business owners. So let's get started with our slide presentation. So as you can see from this first slide, Legal Shield or PPLSI is a 52-year-old company, and there are many services that we offer. If you look at that wheel of the portfolio of services, we offer Legal Shield and ID Shield for families and individuals, small business plans, employee group benefits, commercial driver plans, and then also legal plan supplements for certain activities. So today's presentation will highlight our small business plans. So PPLSI is the name of our company, but we often go by Legal Shield because that's the name of our main service. And it's a 52-year-old company. It was founded by Harlan Stonecipher after he was involved in an automobile accident and realized that he did not have legal coverage that he needed. He was hit by another driver. He was badly injured. His car was totaled. And he realized he had car insurance to help with his car. He had health insurance. He had even had life insurance if it had come to that. But the lady who was the other driver, who was clearly at fault, turned around and sued him. And he did not have anything to help him with that. And so he went searching for solutions, and this company came out of that. And so when we talk about small business owners, there are many day-to-day decisions that are made that actually are legal decisions. Maybe reviewing contracts and documents, considering risk mitigation in your business plan strategies, if you're leasing a commercial space or equipment, dealing with contractors and vendors, if you have employees and dealing with the employees, cash flow, financial concerns, debt collection, of course, possibly tax audits, all kinds of issues that come up all the time. And so I'm offering a solution that will involve no stressing, no guessing, no finger crossing, and no Google decisions. So this slide, I know is busy, has a lot of information, but it is the 3 different levels of small business plans that we offer. The main difference is basically how many from your small business, how many people will have access to the law firm. So you notice there are actually 3 levels of plans: the Pro plan, the Plus plan, and the Essentials plan. And they're each in their own column on this slide. The Pro plan has up to 5 users, the Plus up to 3, and the Essentials up to 2. I really like this in the fact that we're really tailored to different kinds of businesses, different sizes of businesses, and what your small business needs. And then another thing to consider is whether you do in and out of state matters or only in state. And then also if you're concerned about trial defense coverage for your business if the business happens to be sued, because that part can be added with the Pro and the Plus plans if you have that concern for your business. And so then otherwise, you know, people get these plans for different reasons. It's great to basically have a lawyer on retainer. So we have an entire network of provider law firms, and you are connected with the law firm in your area. You're able to call in for advice and consultation on an unlimited number of issues for your business. They can make letters and phone calls on your business's behalf. They will review documents and contracts. They will do collection letters, help with a trademark or copyright, an employee handbook if that's applicable, even help you write up custom contracts, and of course help with IRS audit services. And so it is wonderful to be able to tap the app on your phone and have a lawyer to talk to. Small business owners still have big business issues, but we don't have big business budgets. But we still have the need for a lawyer. So I think that is very important. And I love the fact that it can be tailored to your specific business. So I have helped small business owners, helped one that had an employee concerned. I helped another one that was just starting a small business. It was a counseling service, and they were just getting started. Another business that's just getting started, a nail salon, was looking for help in finding a commercial space and dealing with the contract around that. Another company, a small business I helped, was a basketball league, basketball, and there were 3 coaches that owned the company. It was boys basketball, and they had lots of different contracts they used. Contracts for their for the coaches, contracts for the players, contracts for the teams, and they wanted all of those contracts reviewed. So those are some of the different issues that it can be used for. And it's just great day to day to be able to call when you have a question, or your office manager has a question, or your partner has a question, to be able to call to the law firm and get the most recent information. And so most small business owners also want to protect their family with a legal plan. So here are the details on that plan. It's the same thing. You can call in on an unlimited number of personal issues. You still get contracts and documents. They still do letters and phone calls. One of the great parts of this plan is the will and estate planning. So if you do not have an updated will, that is very important. That is part of my why for doing this business, because my husband died almost 25 years ago without a will, and I learned what a mess it is. And so I am on a mission to ensure that all North American adults have a will, so that there's a smooth transition after they die. Let's see, also civil trial defense, tax audit assistance. The family plan comes with a 24/7 emergency protection. If your rights are being questioned, you can tap the app, and there's a picture of the app on this slide. Tap the app, and an attorney will be on the line if you are being detained by the police, pulled over on the side of the road, CPS is knocking on your door, or maybe you're involved in an injury, traffic accident. And anything not covered comes under a 25% preferred member discount. We do family and domestic services after a 90-day waiting period. So that's uncontested divorce, adoption, name change, and separation. And we also have supplements to help your home business. So that would be if you have a much smaller business. That's in addition to the 3 small business plans I just talked about. And then if you drive for ride share and delivery, or you are a gun owner, would like extra trial defense or Business Plus to extra resources and tools to help with a business. And then most small business owners also choose to protect their family with identity protection. As we know, the scammers are getting smarter and smarter, and we really need protection to help us. So our plan monitors everything that matters. We give alerts and notifications. We even do social media, reputation management. We have items for your devices, malware software, password manager, and a virtual private network. But the one thing that really sets us apart is the full service restoration. So we have licensed private investigators that will do whatever it takes for as long as it takes to get you back to pre-theft status. So how do business owners make legal decisions today? Most of them make logical or Google decisions, maybe have a friend who's a lawyer, or actually pay high hourly rates. And for some things, that's probably good, but for day-to-day issues and questions, I invite you to join the collective buying power of PPLSI or Legal Shield. And that statue you see in the picture there is actually at our home office in Ada, Oklahoma. And it reminds me that we don't need to blindly make decisions anymore, but we can actually have access to our legal rights. So in closing, becoming a member is easy. It takes just a few minutes by phone or Zoom to sign up. And I invite you to do that. I will put my contact information in the in this Facebook group around this post, but you can contact me through personal message or through my website, which is katherineirwin.legalshieldassociate.com, and I'll also put it in the comments. So thanks for allowing me to share this information with you today. I would love to connect and talk with you about it more. Thank you.